Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Multiview in OBS Studio. Multiview is useful if you have several scenes or cameras and want to monitor them all at the same time while you're streaming or recording. First, open OBS Studio. Next, click File at the top and select Settings. From the menu on the left, open the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Multiview section. Here, you'll see several options that control how Multiview works. If you want to switch between scenes directly from Multiview, enable the option that allows you to click scenes to switch between them. You can also choose whether you want OBS to display scene names and other information inside Multiview. Next, open the Multiview Layout drop-down. OBS gives you several different layouts depending on how many scenes you want to monitor. For example, you can choose layouts with preview and program windows along with several scenes, or use scene-only layouts if you want to monitor more scenes at the same time. Choose the layout that works best for your OBS setup. Once you've selected your layout, click Apply, then click OK. Now go to View at the top of OBS. From here, you can choose Multiview, windowed, if you want Multiview inside a separate window. Or select Multiview, full screen, and choose the monitor where you want it to appear. Your Multiview will now open and show your available OBS scenes. For example, you might have a starting soon scene, a mainstream scene, a gameplay scene, and several different camera scenes. You can monitor all of them from this one screen. If scene switching is enabled, click the scene you want to use. If you're using studio mode, you can preview a scene before sending it live, and you can configure OBS so that double-clicking a scene transitions to it. This is especially useful if you're using multiple cameras because you can see all of your camera scenes at once and quickly choose which one you want viewers to see. When you're finished using Multiview, press Escape if you're viewing it in full screen mode, or simply close the Multiview window. And that's how to use Multiview in OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.